just can't take your tears. I hate this part right here.
Every day, 7 takes of the same old scene. Seems we're bound by the laws of the same routine. Gotta talk to you now before we go to sleep. But will we sleep once I tell you it's hurting me?
I just can't take your tears. I hate this part right here. I know you'll ask me to hold on and carry on like nothing's wrong, but there is no more time for lies, 'cause I see sunset in your eyes. I can't take it any longer. Thought that we were stronger. All we do is living, slipping through our fingers. I don't wanna try now. All that's left's goodbye to find a way that I can tell you, but I gotta do it. I gotta do it. I gotta do it. I hate this, but I gotta do it. I gotta do it. I gotta do it. Oh, I hate this part right here. I hate this part right here. I just can't take these tears. I hate this part right here.